Hi, my name is Miss Saffron, and I'm one of the world geography teachers at Seven Lakes High School. And this is a quick tutorials on the myKatie Cloud and then how to access the Canvas online course for the academic world geography classes and the pre-AP world geography classes. So first, you have to get onto your myKatie Cloud. So in your web browser, you can type mykatie.katieisd.org, and it'll bring you to a login screen. Your username is your student ID. The password got reset this week or this summer, so you do need to get your password from your teacher, and you can either put in that password or you can change it and customize it. Once you get into your myKatie Cloud, it's going to look like this with a bunch of tiles, and then also some navigation at the bottom that can open up even more tiles. Notice you can access the World Geography textbook through your myKatie Cloud, or you can access it through the Canvas course. So to get onto Canvas, if you click on this icon, it's going to bring you to another screen known as your dashboard, which is right here. Your dashboard is going to have all of your courses that you are active and live in. So if you click on your World Geography course, you'll see the home page right here. The pre-AP team's homepage might look a little bit different, but for the most part, we have the same menu. This is the academic one. If you click on Course Textbook, it'll bring you to a module that will connect you to the textbook. So if you click Connect Ed, and then this link right here will link you to the textbook, and then you can go through the textbook, look up vocabulary words, read whatever you need to do. On the left side here, you have a course navigation link, so you can click back to home, and it'll bring you back to that home page. Scroll back down, you can look at our syllabus, but most importantly, you want to get into the unit documents, notes, and assignments. So if you click on that link, it'll bring you to another page with a bunch of pictures and our units. So the first unit is our physical geography unit. That is the only unit that is live and active. So if you click on that link, it'll bring you to a Google Drive. As long as you are using your Katie ISD email, which is a Google email, you will be able to access this drive. And this is everything that we have done in class so far. So this is updated every single day. That way, if you miss something, your teacher runs out of copies, or you're absent, you do have access to it. So that is where you find all your notes and study and all that kind of stuff. And you can see all of the different units that we are going to be covering. Most students, this is the page you're going to be using a lot. So definitely review this again, and that will help you out. If you go back over to home and scroll back down, there is a link called Resources, where you can find different web resources such as CIA World Factbook, Encyclopedia, National Geographic, the Gale databases, which is provided by Katie ISD. This is so much better than using Google. It's a search engine, so that'll help you out. Map reviews that will help you study for maps, and then also Kahoot reviews. These are all linked to different modules that will open up different Kahoot reviews to get you ready for tests, and they're just fun. So definitely use that. Also in the module section, we have our class expectations and procedures, but also a link to a YouTube channel that has videos that go with whatever unit we're studying. We also have links to our Nearpod codes. So we do use Nearpod in our class, so if you need to go back and look at a lesson, you can go back and find the codes in those modules. And again, how to get to the modules page is through the link on the left side. So if you click modules, it'll take you right back to where we were at. So if you go back to the home page and scroll back down, you have current events. Okay. This is mostly in the pre-AP classes, academic classes. We have not done current events yet, but when we decide to do that, or in your pre-AP classes, you have a current event every 6 weeks that deals with the unit that you're studying. Please pay attention to how your teacher wants you to present it. Some teachers want students to stand up in front of the class and present it. Others have them turn in things on Canvas or turn in this form. So make sure you pay attention to your teacher's instructions, but this is where you find your current events. So going back to the home page, And if you scroll down, this is the tutorial schedule for the academic classes. Pre-AP classes, your teachers should have posted their tutorial schedule on their Canvas pages, so make sure you check that out. And then we also have our link to the Seven Lakes Geography Twitter page that has what we're doing in class, some cool activities, and then also some resources where geography is found in the real world. So it's pretty cool. Canvas is one of those things that is a great resource. One of our favorite things on Canvas is the calendar resource. So if you click over here on the left side to calendar, you can see your classes and it'll show you what topics we are studying for that day. And you can also see when we have quizzes. Pre-AP, you have a lot of reading quizzes, so you can see when those come up. Academic, you can see where your quizzes are, as well as tests, extra credit vocabulary quizzes, all that kind of stuff. If you go back to courses and go back to your world geography course, if you're in the academic classes, we do have quizzes for extra credit. They're vocab quizzes, and they are due the night before a test. You can get up to 5 points on the test if you make an A on those quizzes, and then up to 4 points if you make a B on those quizzes. So to access those quizzes, they're not loaded yet, but you would click on quiz on the left side menu, and then you would see which ones are open, which the Unit 1 quiz will be open very soon, as long as you're doing your vocabulary. So that's an opportunity that you can definitely take advantage of in geography. So that's it for the Canvas course. If you have any questions, my name is Ms. Safran. My room is 2007. I've taught pre-AP. I'm teaching academic and AP Human Geography. So if you have any questions about geography in general or how to use Canvas, please feel free to stop by. Thanks for watching. Bye.